Is your PlayStation controller dying way too fast? Does it feel like you're constantly plugging it in? Or worse, has it stopped charging altogether? Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Netflix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your PlayStation controller battery issue step by step. No need to buy a new one. This simple and affordable fix will have your controller working like new. Let's jump in. Why your controller battery dies. We all know nothing lasts forever, and unfortunately, that includes PlayStation controllers. Whether you have a DualShock 4 or a PS5 DualSense, the battery wears out over time. You might have noticed that. A full charge doesn't last as long as it used to. You're charging more often or keeping it plugged in all the time. The controller stops charging completely in some cases. That's because the lithium-ion battery inside your controller has a lifespan of about 3 years. The good news, you don't have to replace your entire controller, just the battery. And it costs as little as $10. Now, I'll walk you through how to replace the battery in a PS5 DualSense controller step by step. Let's get started. How to replace your PS5 DualSense battery. Step 1. Power off your controller. Make sure your controller is completely turned off and disconnected from your console. Step 2. Remove the faceplate trim. Gently lift both ends of the controller's handles to unclip and remove the faceplate trim. Step 3. Remove the L1 and R1 buttons. Pry off the L1 and R1 buttons. This takes a bit of force. Then, unscrew the screws underneath them. Step 4. Unscrew the bottom handle screws. Locate and remove the 2 screws at the bottom of each controller handle. Step 5. Remove the back panel. Unclip the 2 clips near the headset jack and carefully detach the back panel. Step 6. Replace the battery. Use tweezers, if available, to disconnect the old battery. Remove it and install the new battery, making sure it's securely connected. Step 7. Reassemble your controller. Reattach the back panel and make sure the clips snap into place. Screw in all the screws, including those behind the L1 and R1 buttons. Reattach the faceplate trim and snap the L1 and R1 buttons back in place. And just like that, your controller is as good as new. No more charging issues, no more frustration. Now you know exactly what to do if your PlayStation controller battery stops holding a charge. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Fix Netflix for more quick and easy fixes. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!